Right, welcome back everybody to week 3, I think, of distance learning. Just coming at you with a quick weekly preview video for you. First off, sorry for getting this to you late, but here's what I had going on this weekend. So there you go. Wife and I had our son finally. I'm going to get a picture. There's the picture with me in it to prove it's mine. Okay, there's a better picture of the baby there. Saturday, Friday, whatever the 18th is his birthday. I forget. I don't know what date it is right now. But so that's what I had going on all this weekend. Baby's good. Baby's healthy. That is William Bailey, named after my grandpa. Yeah, we're all good except for we are all tired. Everybody's tired. That's why we're coming at you a little late with this stuff here. But things will be okay. All right, this week, real quick, what's going on for this week? Give you a few updates on things. First off, this week, goal is to finish Unit 4. That is our trigonometric identities unit. What's that going to entail? That's going to be going through lesson 4.3. Now, this is a short lesson. This is something we'd only spend a day on in class. Okay, we actually would spend longer, but we're going to cut it down to just a very small chunk of stuff you need to know. Okay, so for that, usual deal, watch the video, do the homework, take the quiz. Okay, you could probably get that all done in an hour, honestly, if you really went to town. Okay, this might be a 2-day assignment tops. Okay, so that's the last lesson we're going to be going through. Like we said, short lessons, usually short. We cut it down, we made it shorter. If I do refer to a part 2 in the video, don't worry about that. We're just doing part 1. Okay, so then from there, so I'm thinking that's probably your Monday, Tuesday stuff you're working on. From there, we've got to take the Unit 4 test. And just like with the quizzes, we're going to deliver that to you through Moodle. And to get you ready for it, we have a paper practice test. Okay, that's up on Moodle, or that'll be up on Moodle shortly. Yeah, so you can work through that just like with the homework, work stuff out on paper. Okay, just like you're going to do on the actual test. You're going to have some paper with you. Okay, I've also got a Moodle practice test just to make sure you see what that test is going to look like on Moodle, actually. It's going to be a lot like the quizzes, but just so you're testing it or practicing it in the actual test environment. And then finally, take the actual test. Okay, just like with our Moodle quizzes, it's going to be timed. Okay, I think we'll give you an hour for it. Not to rush or anything, but just to make sure you're not, spending 3 days on it and, studying and looking things up and Googling as you go. We want to be an actual assessment of your knowledge. Okay, so that's what you need to get done this week. Like I said, this lesson here, maybe it'll take you 1 to 2 days. Okay, the practice tests, that's maybe a 2-day activity, and then you can take care of that test Friday. I guess with that, get any other unit stuff, 4 stuff turned in. So just like with the homework actually being due the day of the test, same thing here. If you've got some homework you haven't submitted for some reason, or if you got a quiz that you need to retake, let me know, or you didn't take it for some reason. Get that done by the end of this week. Okay, all this stuff is due by midnight on Friday. Okay, so usual deal, that's our usual turn-in day. I wouldn't wait till Friday to work on all this stuff. Start cranking away at the lesson early. Okay, start working on the practice test early. That way, if you do need some help, if you need to stop by for office hours, we can help you out. Okay, so let's finish up Unit 4 this week. A couple updates. Number 1, speaking of office hours, I'm trimming mine down. Okay, I didn't see anybody between 7:30 and 8 last week, so I'm going to run from 8 to 9 in the morning, and then I didn't see anybody after 3 o'clock, so I'm going to cut it down to 2 to 3 in the afternoon. Okay, so if you need something, if you want an explanation, some problems, I'd recommend popping at my office hours, and we'll take care of you. Okay, other things, some attendance points. I missed this the other week. Us Precalc teachers, we talked about doing this, but I didn't know we were doing it. Okay, they are, so we'll add it also. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 2 test points per week for attending, for being present. What that means moving to our Google Classroom model is you check in every day. Okay, so make sure you're checking in every day. I think they really streamlined that process for you, so make sure you're doing that. And then also, once a week, I need to interact with you, either through an email or some office hours. Okay, just a question, Mr. Bailey, can you help me with number 7? Or I don't understand this concept, or could you explain whatever to me? Okay, so I do have a lot of students who on a daily basis, there's some back and forth. It's really good, but also there's some students I have not heard from. Okay, so once a week, ask a question. I'll give you some feedback. They'll help you with the math also. and it's going to help you get those 2 test points a week as well. I will go back and fill in the points for the last 2 weeks. Basically, if you checked in through the Google Forms, if you're close to 100% checks in, we'll give you the points for those last 2 weeks. Okay, so a few updates there. All right, I am scrambling to get my Moodle page all updated. My hope is that I stay ahead of you here. By the end of the day, I'll have everything laid out and in place for you. So if you get to assignment and it says we'll be there soon, it will be there soon. Check back in like a half an hour. I'm scrambling to get that done right now because of my, like we said, baby we had this weekend. So he's wrecking everything, but it's good. He's nice. He's fun. All right, see you guys later.